Hello, there has been a video called Builderall Review 2019 Scams Honest from Non-Affiliate. Well, it's Justin Siliker, and what he says in this video is that he tried to get a refund from the Builderall business plan under the 30 days, and they said um, no, we can't refund you because you've made a commission. Then he goes on to explain that no, he did a commission, but his friend cancelled, so he didn't make a commission. And then, so he says that, and then he says that they replied, they show him a screenshot that in fact he did two commissions. One has been cancelled, and the other one is still active. The rule in Builderall is pretty simple. You get a 30-day refund, no question asked, except for the Builderall business plan if you have made one commission. You know, this is the rule. Well, yes, you can get a refund except if you have the Builderall business plan and you have made one commission at least. So if he did only one commission cancelled, it would be like no commission. He would have gotten a refund for sure. But since, so here we see the screenshot. Yes, it's here. You can see it's green. So it means one, he made two commission, one has been cancelled, okay, so he could have a refund, but one is active. So he cannot get a refund. So he goes on saying, oh, this is bad, there is a 2% rule that they should grant me my refund, etc., etc. Yes, in my opinion, he could get a refund if he wanted. He just have to reply to this email and say, okay, I have a commission, but please make an exception, otherwise I will go crazy, you know, something like this. And then they will apply the 2% rules and make an exception. But it is normal that when people ask for a refund and it's not within the rules, the first answer of the support should be, no, we can't refund you because blah, blah, blah. Then he says, no, I made only one commission and it has been cancelled. And then you show him you have made two and one is still active. And then he should reply, yeah, but I don't care, and I will make a bad review, blah blah blah, and then he will get his refund. That's the way it works. That you don't grant the refund and make an exception as soon as a customer. First, you apply the rules to say, yes, this is a rule, okay, and most people will understand. Yes, it's true, okay, yes, but he doesn't want. So instead of just sending one more email, he create this video saying, oh, it's a scam, they don't want to refund me. No, it doesn't say it's a scam, but they say they don't want to refund me, this is bad business, etc., etc., and I don't care. Yes, but man, you are just one email away to get it if you want it, but I know you don't care. $50 is nothing, but you know, you are in the wrong because you could get the refund. Builderall could make this 2% exception rule, but you just stop just before the real moment. And then, so that's it, you know, it's nothing. But then he says, oh, you know why this 2% rule is because we know that Walmart or any brand like this, they don't want people to go crazy and make bad reviews because it's bad for the brand. But it's not true. In my opinion, is no press is bad press. So even a bad video like this, which says it's bad, Builderall is a low quality, blah blah blah. Even this is good for Builderall because it talks about Builderall, and as you can tell, all the people who will go to this video will not have the same opinion as him. For instance, me, I don't have the same opinion. I think he is in the wrong in this instance. So, but me, I am already a Builderall affiliate. I already know Builderall. But maybe people who never uh, have learned about Builderall, they will learn about it from this video. They will watch it and they will say, yes, but Builderall is right, not to do a refund. This is in their rules. It's not, they're not scamming, they're just applying the rule. And maybe they will think, oh, but he should have tried a little more after this second answer from the finance department of Builderall. You know, they will think like this, but they will also know Builderall. So that's why we say no press is bad press, because if he didn't do this video, then other people will never have known about Builderall. And now they know about it, they can make their own opinion and check Builderall and get interested, watch other videos about it, you know, and that's the way it works for. It's free advertisement for Builderall. Even if the video, what he says inside, is bad, but people don't take his word for anything. Just someone who made a video about Builderall saying bad things or good things, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what the content of the video. What matters is that Builderall is in one more video on the internet. So one more advertisement. No press is bad press. When you don't talk about something, then it's bad for this something, because nobody is talking about it. Not even to say bad things, so it means it's really insignificant. Nobody cares. So, well, that's all I want to do. Then after, of course, he made this video with keywords. This is the game, huh? And then in the description, he says honest from non-affiliate. It's not honest. You are not more honest than anyone. It's just your opinion, man. That's it. And then in the description, he puts his affiliate links for other things, like 100% better Builderall alternative. Click here. And here is what? ClickFunnels. Come on. ClickFunnels is not a Builderall alternative. ClickFunnels is a sales funnel builder. That's it. It doesn't compare to Builderall at all. Builderall is not a ClickFunnels-like software. It's a platform with many tools, over 30 tools, and ClickFunnels has a few tools targeted to create sales funnel. Okay, that's it. So it's not a better Builderall alternative. If you want to do, I don't know, many things you can do with Builderall, can you do it with ClickFunnels? No. For many things, no. Oh, and not talking about the price, it's not an alternative. When you pay $300 and you don't get half of the tools, it's not. And now I'm live in a video. I see Carol Lacaze says and System.io, but System.io is a ClickFunnels like. It's like a ClickFunnels killer. It's not going to kill it, of course, but this is how it has been built. System.io is to be a direct competitor of ClickFunnels, and that's it. So System.io is not a better alternative to Builderall, also, because it's not the same software. It's like if you will say, oh, Microsoft Word is a better alternative to Adobe Photoshop. What are you talking about? It's not the same software. It's not the same use. So Builderall. It's true that with Builderall you can create sales funnels. You can create things that ClickFunnels allow you to do, but it's only a part of Builderall. So of course it will be more difficult to do it, because the tools that you are going to use in Builderall, they are a part of many other tools. So when you want to do the same things you can do with ClickFunnels, you will need to select the tools to understand which tools to use in Builderall to do the same thing as ClickFunnels. In ClickFunnels or System.io, it's very easy because you have only a few tools to do sales funnels. So you will need to learn it and to find them and then use them to create sales funnels. But in Builderall, you have, I said, 30 tools, so you need to know and to understand and to select those who will be of use to create sales funnels. That's why it's more difficult um, to use Builderall to create sales funnels, because you need a better understanding of the whole platform to know which tools will be of use to you and which ones, most of them, will not be of use to you in order to create sales funnels. That's it. But it's not more difficult to use Builderall or more difficult to use ClickFunnels. It's just that, when you have only a hammer and a nail, then you know what to do. But if you have many tools and you need to stick something on the wall, which one are you going to use? You need to think more. That's it. That's the only difference. And the price, because as I said, ClickFunnels is very expensive, most expensive, and that's why System.io is here, because for a fraction of the price you get ClickFunnels. The same, let's say the same, because of course you will have less templates, less tutorials and things like this, because ClickFunnels has been here for longer than System.io, a longer time, has more resources, because it's so expensive that and for more years, so they have resources to create a lot of templates, create tutorials, and have an army of affiliates which are very sales pushy, like this one, Justin. One more affiliate link for ClickFunnels is here, and inside the description, of course, and the tags, he puts a lot of things about Builderall, scam. It's easy. You say, oh no, Builderall is not a scam. So you have a scam and Builderall in the description, and you will not have your video removed by Builderall for saying that it's a scam. For instance, it's well, this is very basic things, but so and he has a long description about Builderall. That is, this is one of the only honest Builderall reviews from a non-affiliate. Yeah, this is you talking, man. So yes, you can say this is the best video about Builderall. So you can say it's you who are writing the description. So it says, and he puts a lot of keywords like Chad Bartlett Builderall, Liam Builderall, making okay, good. So this is all to send traffic to ClickFunnels. So maybe I will do the same for ClickFunnels. I will do, is ClickFunnels a scam? No, ClickFunnels is not a scam, but this is the best alternative to ClickFunnels. Click here, and it will send to my Builderall affiliate link. And also at the end, he says, oh, this is a shady company because all the top affiliate has been integrated in the company. This is stupid, it's not true. The top affiliates, I have a link, I have a tool to know the top affiliate of Builderall, and no, they have not been integrated in the company. There is one, Chad Bartlett. One has been made a marketing director because he had success to sell Builderall, and they needed someone to create good funnels for their affiliates. So they paid him to do that. After, the others who are integrating the company, like Wassily, is not the same. He's not a top seller, top affiliate. It's just because he's a specialist of chatbots, and since there is a chatbot builder in Builderall, they always want to hire experts in all the tools they have to develop them. So Wassily is working with the company, with the developers of the company, to improve the chatbot of Builderall, because he is already using ManyChat, ChatFuse, and all the software about chatbot is using them. So he knows what needs to be in a very good chatbot tool, and Builderall wants to have a good chatbot tool. So he's paying. But otherwise, all the top APIs, they are not working for Builderall. This is a claim, a stupid claim. It's not true. It's simply not true. And even if it was, so what? But it's not true. Okay, bye bye.